Pour some oil on a pan. Add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, kalonji and fenugreek seeds. Add 3 to 4 garlic cloves and fry it. Add 5 to 7 curry leaves to it. Now put 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and mix it. Now add chili powder, turmeric powder and salt as per your taste. Now add 8 medium-sized sliced tomato and mix it. Put some fresh curry leaves and mix it. Put 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds in a hot pan, to roast it and let it pop. Also add 2 teaspoons cumin seeds and roast it. Make sure it doesn't burn. Then crush them and make a powder. Take 2 whistles. Cook the gravy to dry out the excess water, then add the powder of roasted mustard and cumin seeds. Dry it even more so that you can pack it for your journey. Add extra chili powder and salt for taste, if needed. For the final look, make tadka. Take some oil in a pan and put some mustard seeds and a chili in it. Then add a few garlic cloves, curry leaves and some chili powder in it. Then add the tadka to our achar. Alhamdulillah, it's ready.